Hello and welcome to this new video on how you can change the password on Duolingo. So if you are new, just subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. And let's get straight to our tutorial. Firstly, on the taskbar, there is search bar. You just need to type the app that you want to search. Where it is Duolingo. It's section. We'll just press on the Duolingo and the app will be open. I'll just press the cross button, and in the help section there is all these things, and in the bottom there is more. And when you hover over the more, there are shown three options: setting, help, and logout. You just need to press on the setting option, and when you are on the setting options, now there is a section account on the right hand side, and there is a profile section. You just need to press on it and you need to scroll down a little bit, and there is the current password, and you can add a new password. So I'll just add my new password, and when I have successfully added my new password, I'll just click on the save changes that is just below the new password, and when I have clicked it, the password has been changed successfully. So this is how you can change password on the app Duolingo. So if this video was helpful to you, then press the like button. Thank you.